guys, we are at Giant Tiger looking for squishies right
They
now.
got a bunch of Kool-Aids and stuff. And
Yeah, and they got this fake Minecraft Nito. It's
this is
pretty
like
nice.
Squishy and it smells super good.
This is some.
Smell it.
Oh my god, that smells like actual cherries,
I wish
guys.
they had the mac and cheese squishy.
The mac.
Somewhere.
Yeah, look at this, guys. Here's a Slinky. Let's go over here. What's? Yep. Let's check clearance, guys.
Oh, there's Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels. We're looking for squishies.
Oh no, that's not. That's a fake one.
Also, look at what we.
Oh, that's an open one.
Look at what we found at Walmart. I got one too, of course. Ow. Now, let's keep looking, guys. Let's hope I find. Oh,
Look at it. Oh, that's a silent play soccer ball.
yeah, the silent soccer ball.
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
I'm joking. Yeah, guys, but they had a mac and cheese release, and we can't find the mac and cheese here.
Yeah.
Wireless keyboard, that would probably be super satisfying.
Yeah.
That
Look at this, guys.
That's the fakest Labubu I've ever seen.
Oh, it's hard to squish, though.
That's the fakest Labubu I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Ew.
It's a keychain.
You should try to squish it. I can squish it all the way down there. It's very
But yeah, these fake Minecraft Nitos are nice.
probably feel better than the real needle. Because the real needle's hard to squish.
Guys, ow.
I mean, it's a...
But yeah, what does this do?
Find anything, bud?
we found a Kool-Aid. And there's a scented, thing.
That's cool. I wonder how much this guy, the Kool-Aid squishy is.
And it smell like,
I wonder how much the Kool-Aid squishy is. Holy, that scared me.
we'll see. $10, I think. Right, keyboard? No.
There's no price. No price. No price. I need a price for this. I'm gonna get a price for this. Hold on, guys. So we're still trying to get a price on it, guys. And yeah, of course, it's me, Ghostface Lover. But yeah, they got fake Nito Minecraft. They do have a real.
Guys.
It's fake.
Yeah, fake. How much are
The Lulu.
How much are the Kool-Aids?
I'm still trying to get a price on it.
Oh, Five Nights at Freddy. Look.
5 night.
That's all
Ooh.
they got left is Chica.
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 They got Chica.
No,
No.
I don't really.
We're good.
The guy's coming right. Oh, look, Foxy.
They got
Foxy.
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 Foxy. Foxy's cute.
Chica.
They got Foxy and Chica. So I'll be back when he's back. So guys, I just got told it's $9.99.
Oh, it's
$9.99.
Can I get one?
You're probably not even gonna get one. But I guess we could keep trying to look. Hold on. This squishy's $9.99.
I want one.
But actually, I might end the video. Ow! Guys, I might end the video here.
Look at squishy football.
Oh, that's not a squishy. That's
It's
That's
$150 for a
But I might end the video, guys. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.